Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to collaborate on Google Forms. Ever needed to work on a Google form with your team, whether it's a group survey, event registration, or customer feedback form, collaboration is super easy. And today I'll show you how to share and edit a Google form with others in real time. So let's dive into these steps. The first step is to open your Google form. And to do that, just go to your web browser and then type in Google Form. As you can see here, you're gonna click on the Google Workspace website, and after the website appears, sign in using your account's credentials. Now after you sign in using your account's credentials, you'll be directed to your Google Form dashboard. From here, select the form you want to collaborate on. For example, I'm gonna select this one. And make sure also that your form is ready for collaboration before sharing. The second step is to add collaborators, and you can do that by clicking on the three dots menu here at the top right and select add collaborators. Let's search for add collaborators here. You can also do this by sharing clicking on the share button right here. Once you click on the share button, the sharing options will appear. From here, you're gonna edit the editor's view from restricted to anyone with the link. And as you can see, it's automatically an editor's option. This means that anyone with the link can edit the form. Let's see in the options side here. As you can see, editors can change permissions and share, and viewers, commentators can see the options to download, print, and copy. So we're just gonna copy the responders link, and just like this, the responders link is copied in the clipboard. Now, if you didn't click on, if you want specific people to access and be able to modify, you just add their emails in here, in this option, in this area right here. Write their emails of people you want to edit the form, and also you can also use the permission thing. Now the third step is to share the Google Forms link. Now after you copy the link, you can just send the link as it is, or you can generate a QR code using that link from a QR code generator website. Code generator. Here you can just copy the link, and it will generate a QR code that you can download as a GPG file. Now the fourth step is to track changes in Google Forms, and to do that, just click on responses to check who has submitted answers, and use Google Sheets to organize responses and track updates. As for the fifth step, is to communicate in real time. So use Google Chat or comments in Google Drive to discuss changes, and make use of Google Meet for live feedback sessions. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you can collaborate on Google Forms like a pro. If this was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know what tutorials you want next.